I love anything with coconut. So today I'm going to show you how I make my coconut barfi. All the exact measurements are in the description of this video. So in a pot, you're going to add 1 pound of grated coconut. And I bought this pre-ground from the grocery. You can do this yourself, just peel the brown skin off. So you're going to poach or toast your coconut in a dry pot for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add some sugar. I'm adding 3/4 cups of sugar. You can add more if you like it more sweet. Once it looks wet like this, add some media crema or table cream or heavy cream and some coconut milk powder. These two are optional. I just like adding it because it adds a nice creaminess and a nice coconutty flavor. So just mix it well to incorporate everything. Now spice it up with some elychee or cardamom. And you want to go light on this because it can change the color of your coconut barfi. So just add enough to get that nice elychee flavor. Now add some full cream milk powder. And I'm adding 2 cups. And you might think that it needs some water at this point when you're mixing, but it actually doesn't. You'll see how easy it's gonna work into the coconut sugar mixture. So just add a little at a time and keep mixing. And if you add less milk powder, your barfi is going to be more crumbly and soft. If you add more, it's going to be harder. So keep that in mind. So just keep mixing. Your arm is going to get a little workout, but that's fine. And this is how it's going to look when it's finished. Now let it cool and then we can start rolling it. So after about 30 minutes, I'm adding some coconut extract. You don't have to add this. This has alcohol in it. So if you're using this for prayers or for some type of religious occasion, then don't use this or use something without alcohol. I just find that it gives it a nice flavor. Now pick up a piece of your mixture and roll it into a bowl. Then roll it in some white sugar just to get it coated. Now flatten it. And I make mine pretty big, so for this amount of ingredients, I actually got 20 big coconut barfi. So you're just going to roll them and get them into that white sugar and then place them on a platter. And if you wanted to kick it up a notch, you could actually roll it in some grated coconut too. Now add some cherries on top, and I cut 1 cherry in 8. I don't like a big chunk of cherry on my coconut barfi. A nice cute little piece works. So just top it with your cherry and that's it. Here is coconut barfi. And as it sits, or if you put it in the fridge, it's gonna toughen up and firm up a little more. But this is the texture of it. It's not too hard, it's not too soft and crumbly. It's just perfect. So I hope you try the recipe.